TH makes two sounds, a quiet sound and a noisy sound. At the beginning of most words, TH makes a noisy sound. The, they, then, this, that, there. To make this sound, you have to make your tongue tickle. No, not like that. Touch the back of your teeth with your tongue. Feel the tickle as it vibrates. Say the. Ah, very, very good. Now let's try the quiet sound. TH at the end of a word makes a quiet sound. Bath, path, moth, both, teeth. Stick out your tongue. This is the only time you can stick your tongue out without being rude. Rest your teeth on your tongue. Now blow. Very good. Now keep practicing.
This clip was taken from Hairy Phonological. For more fun with Hairies and Yetis, go to Nessie.com.